turn left. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Well done, left lane, well done, beautiful. Look, is it safe?
Yeah.
Show me how you're going to go to the left side. Good. And what are you going to do now? Good mirror, good signaling, well done. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this is Enfield test route. We just left Enfield Test Center. This is sat-nav driving from Enfield Test Center.
Ahead, keep right.
Chesn Walton Cross, and this is Enfield Test Route. Driving with sat-nav.
After 300 yards, keep right, then turn right.
Okay, so we're turning right at that traffic light, yes?
Yeah.
So what do we need to do now? Good mirror, good signaling, well done, beautiful. Nicely. Yeah, so we're going
This
to
one.
Keep right, then turn right.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to leave the signal on right and we wait the opportunity. So here we've got to make sure that the space before we go, yes? So have a look. There's
Turn
space.
right.
Yeah, you can go now. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Nice, nice, good. Beautiful. That's it. Beautiful. Now the road is merging, yes? Nice. Beautiful. There you go. And how's that?
Good.
Nice, beautiful. Okay, so now Marina, a new zebra crossing just there about 2 weeks ago they put there. Then we will be approaching a little roundabout, yeah? We are turning a right at the mini roundabout. Do you remember which lane we're gonna stay in that roundabout?
But is this one where you stay in the left lane?
Beautiful, well done, yes. Why do you think we need to stay in the left lane?
Then I have like more space.
Yes, and because the road markings allow us to turn right, yes?
Yeah.
So, not all the roundabout like that, yes? But the one allow us to stay in the left lane to turn right, then we can stay in the left lane to turn right. Good. And guys, if you got tests coming up in Enfield, and this video will be useful for you, and we show the road marking, signs, and how to deal with the roundabout safely. So Marina, she's doing
After
a good job.
200 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit.
Good, beautiful. Good mirror, good signaling, good, thank you. You need to put the sat-nav in charge, obviously.
Oh, is it just on?
Yes, yeah. So just go right second exit, which lane you're gonna stay. And that one was really naughty girl. She just jumped in front of you.
Yeah, and she like looked at me.
Yes.
Well. Like staying.
Yes, good. Yeah. There you go. She looked
That
at you.
I wasn't really in the lane at that time.
That's good. There you go. You know what to do next time. Yes. Beautiful. Probably she threw you off there.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
was like in between the lanes. That's
Yes.
why, which wasn't that good.
Okay, so next time we're gonna do?
Go into the left.
That's good. 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 Okay. So, at this roundabout, because the sat nav's off now, I would like you to take the second exit straight ahead. This is known as KFC roundabout. Straight ahead, second exit. We are in Enfield, Waltham Cross. We're going ahead, second exit.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Well done. Now the sat nav is on. We're going to put the sat nav back again, and we look for opportunity. Obviously, the big van block your view now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You will arrive at your destination at 5:56 p.m.
Safe now?
Yeah.
Good, there you go. So the KFC is the first exit. Beautiful, good mirror, good signaling, nice.
Oh, nice.
That was not a smart, very smart choice what she's done there, yes?
That person.
Yes, the one in front of you, yeah? So she jumped from the right to the left, and she just jumped in front of you.
I'm going down here.
Yes, that's your exit, isn't it? Yeah?
So she was in like the wrong lane.
Well, she was on the right lane. From the right lane, she came to the left lane, and just suddenly she braked. But you could respond because you braked there. Well done. So now listen to the sat nav. What the sat nav says shows you there.
Going
After
wrong.
300 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit.
Good mirror, good signaling, good. So look, before the sat nav even say where to go, you already looked and changed your line already. Yeah? So we gotta look one step ahead. So we are going right exit number.
3.
Thank you. So show me what you're gonna do here. Good mirror, good signaling, well done.
Cross the roundabout, third exit.
Good. What color is the light now?
Red.
Beautiful. Good. Okay. So, which one is your first exit?
There.
Uh-huh.
And then that's the second one, and that's the third
Beautiful. Thank you. And the roundabout control weather?
one. Lights.
Traffic light, yes. Good. Keep your like coming, guys. Thank you very much. Keep supporting us. Much appreciated. Send those lovely hearts, guys. Thank you. And we're going right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good mirror, good signaling, and good time changing line. What's the speed limit now?
20.
Thank you. 20 is?
Plenty.
There you go. Well done. Good. 20 is plenty. Okay, so now we are in Waltham Cross, and this is a test route as well. Good. A part of Enfield test route, and the speed is keep changing so many times. So you gotta be looking for the speed limit way in advance to make sure you're not missing the speed limit. So we did see that.
After
right?
200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
So now we've got 3 roundabouts back to back. All the 3 we're going straight ahead, second exit, yeah? Beautiful, well done. Nice. Good. Okay, what color is the light now?
Gonna go red.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
So what would be the speed limit after that?
30.
Beautiful. 30. Good, thank you. Good, thank you. Is it safe now? Beautiful. Yes, thank you. How are you feeling about this test route?
Yeah, it's good.
Which one you
But
prefer?
I think this one, the speed limit keeps changing.
Yes. So we done 2 test routes today. One we went towards Turkish Street and A10 and Willow Road, and this test route we came towards Chisholm Waltham Cross. Yes. So out of 2 test routes, which one you prefer?
I think I prefer the other one.
The other one? Really? How come?
I don't know.
Really? You find that one easy? The other one?
The the narrow road's easier because I can like go slow.
Okay, yes. So what is what's the problem with this route?
It's just like busier.
Yeah, it is busier, but especially this time
And just
of the
like
day.
the different like
Mm,
I don't even know, just everything.
everything. Well, obviously this route.
Like the speed limits and stuff.
Yeah, this route has got a lot of different speed limit, keep changing.
And like lanes.
That's
like,
right.
You tell me to change lanes all the time.
That's right. Yeah, you're changing lanes there. Yes, correct. And this